unboxing the Clipsal Infrascan PIR security sensor and see what is inside. So this box here, someone is already attempting to open it, but we're going to see what's inside. Everything's still full in the package. So when we open up the box, now there are some screws packets. So we got wall plug, some screws here, and if I pull out the sensor, so this is the back of the sensor. This is a 3-wire system. So here it is, 3 wires. We got active, neutral, and the load. Now this Clipsal here has a 300 watt LED load rating with a water rating of IP66. Here at the front, it's still not open yet, but if you open up, this is the sensor cover at the front, right here. So Clipsal Infrascan, it's quite strong and very sturdy. Now this thing here allows you to readjust, so once it is mounted on the wall, you can readjust this by simply open and close this one here. This will allow you to make adjustment. It is very strong, very secure, very well built, and the wire is fully secure, preventing the water from coming in. A lot of the time when this is not done correctly, water can seep into on the inside and cause the sensor not to work correctly. Now inside the box, right at the base, at the bottom, there is this pallet plate, so we can use it as a template to drill the holes on the wall for the screws in the plug right here. And it has a sticker as well, so you can peel off the stickers and then stick this onto the wall, and then you can use this as a pallet and then drill down. So yeah, that is everything inside the box. Now it also comes with the user instruction. So it's quite detailed instruction here, but at the bottom of the light there are 3 settings. So we have the light settings, the timer, and the sensitivity. Here we can adjust the sensitivity, the light level, threshold adjustment, and the time on adjustment.